Welcome. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate the different components of Tally ERP9 startup screen. Open the Tally software. You can see a window like this. This window is called the Tally startup screen window. So let us move to the different components of Tally startup screen. The top row, you can see a title bar. This is called the title bar. Only one component you can see here. The only one information you can see here is the Tally version number. You can see Tally ERP9. Here I am using Tally ERP9. Just below the title bar, you can see the horizontal button bar. This is called the horizontal button bar. Here you can see different buttons. Some buttons are enabled, some buttons are disabled. Print, export, email, upload, Tally shop, language, you can change the language here, keyboard settings, control center, support center, help. So this is called the second component, that is horizontal button bar. Here you can see another component, that is close button. You can close the Tally window by clicking here. This is a close button. Another important area is the Tally gateway. This area is called Tally gateway. The major area or important area of Tally startup screen. This screen is divided into two parts. Left side you can see the list of companies. Here you can't see any company because we are not yet created a company and that company is not yet opened. So if you are already created a company or the company is presently opened, you can see the company name here and the date of last entry. So left side you can see the list of companies. The right hand side is the menu area. You can see the Tally menu. Now you can see a company info menu and different items you can see in that menu. According to your operations, you can see different menus here. Here you can see company info. If you are already created a company, you can see another different menu. So this is the gateway of Tally. That is a virtual entry to Tally operations. Now you can see this section, the bottom section. Here you can see this is a taskbar. This is called the taskbar. That is a Tally main company info. Which point we are residing now, you can see from Tally main, we are at the company info menu. You can see this company info menu. So if you look at the taskbar, you can understand where you are residing now. So Tally following a leveled menu system. So you can watch here at the taskbar, you can understand where you are residing now. Here you can see the product details. So here you can see the versions and updations. That's the information panel. You can see the series release 6.6. You can see the version and updates. The next section you can see the licensing details. The licensing details, serial number, the validity of the software, your account ID. These details you can see the license and services. Here you can see another area, that is a calculator. This is a virtual calculator. I have already done mathematical equations here. Now to activate this menu, you can just press Ctrl N. Ctrl N. So you can give equations like this, 100 into 12, you can see here 1200 like this. So during your Tally operations, if you want any complex mathematical operations, you can just use this Tally calculator area. The shortcut is Ctrl N. So another important area is the rightmost side. You can see the button bar. You will get these. Each and every section is a button. So these are all different buttons. Now only one button is activated now. That is the configure button. This is a shortcut for activating this configure button. That is F12. This is the button bar, or we can say button toolbar. The bottom side you can see some other information also. Here you can see the time, hour, minute and second. Here you can see the current day. Here you can see the Tally solution copyright statement. So these are the different components of Tally startup screen. Next, how you can quit the Tally is very simple. Just press escape. Now the Tally demanding the input for you whether you want to quit or not. If you press yes, you can quit from Tally, or if you know, you can retain in Tally. So this is the Tally startup screen. I hope you understand all the elements. See you next video.